Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. All India hotel occupancy rose by 4% in 2023. Rooms sold per day surged by 4.4% CAGR since 2019. IRCTC launches Ramayana Circuit tourist train to boost tourism. Uttar Pradesh approves land lease policy 2024 to foster tourism growth. Lakshadweep Dweep, Rs 3.6 kcr plan to turn islands into tourist hub. Airlines and airports increase its spend to improve the passenger journey and meet sustainability goals. Taiwan stops new group trips to China amid tourism. Air routes pat. Karnataka tourist count jumps by 10 crore a year. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.